Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you best team in Palmon Survival tier list. Ever look at the arena ranking and wonder if anyone secretly got access to a completely different game? After spending way too much time testing teams, getting carried by some units, and completely betrayed by others, here's how I'd rank some of the strongest Palmon and Palmon Survival right now. Gillen is an easy S tier for me because a great tank makes everything else work. Soaks damage, protects fragile teammates, and stays relevant all the way into the late game. Bark Plug is another S tier thanks to its chain, lighting, and paralysis effects. The damage is nice, but the real value comes from watching enemy teams stand around wondering what happened. Hufrit also earns S tier because it specializes in diving the black line and deleting squishy targets before they can contribute. Penguin lands in A tier. The single target damage is incredible once fully developed, but it takes longer to reach its peak compared to the top units. Monterey and Knee Jump both sit comfortably in S tier as well, offering incredible damage, scaling, and consistency across nearly every mode. Baziniana earns A tier for its crowd control utility, while Dolphin is dependable B tier support that helps keep teams alive. As for Squeezo, Snow Cami, and Santa Raptor, they can still do the job, but compared to the top performers, they feel more like a temporary teammate than long-term investments. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.